Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how Shibumi's AI Value Accelerator ensures companies are maximizing the benefits from their AI investments. Companies today are flooded with innovative ways to apply AI to solve problems. But how do you know which ideas will provide the best results with the least amount of risk? We've all read articles about AI projects that have failed to deliver, or worse, harm a company's brand. How do you make sure you're making responsible AI investments? Shibumi's AI Value Accelerator, or AIVA for short, supports the ideation, management, and ongoing monitoring of all the AI solutions within your business. This is done by providing a clear view into the pipeline of AI opportunities and the expected benefits and business case of each. You may already be doing something similar to this, typically in SharePoint or spreadsheets. AIVA gives you a more efficient and scalable alternative to manage all the innovation ideas and their expected benefits. Immediately when logging in, you're brought to your dashboard. This is the summary of your AI program, highlighting the expected benefits and progress. From here, you can drill down into any number or start filtering the data to gain more detailed insights. But how do all the AI opportunities get loaded into Shibumi? This is done from everything like Excel or CSV imports to integrations with other platforms. But the most common way is through our dynamic intake forms. These can be accessed on any device. Our intake forms guide a submitter through a series of questions that define the AI opportunity and capture key details. These details are critical when making informed investment decisions. Once an idea is submitted, it's governed through a formal life cycle with approvals required at each key stage gates. Each idea is scored to easily compare and prioritize them, maximizing your AI investments. Here, for instance, the credit scoring and risk assessment is up and to the right, meaning it has a high value score and a low risk score. Because of this, I can approve it and move it to the prototyping phase, where we'll do some idea validation and test the high value hypothesis. The other idea, automated checkouts based on image recognition, has a high value score, but also a very high risk score. Let's drill in to see more detail. Here I can see all the detail that was submitted in the intake form and captured during the pipeline phase. Looking at the business case scoring tab, I see where the high risk score came from. I can also look at the expected benefits and costs and see how well this idea maps into the benefit and cost drivers that we're focused on in this AI program. With this insight, I've decided not to move forward with this particular idea. As the AI ideas are approved and move through the life cycle, a detailed business case is captured, defining the key benefits and costs. Once the idea becomes a live AI solution, you can monitor it to ensure those benefits are being realized. This is done by comparing the expected benefits captured in the pre-funding phases to the actual benefits captured in the post-funding phase and are typically integrated with external systems. This validates the business case and provides insight into future AI ideas. Getting started is easy. Reach out to Shibumi through shibumi.com and schedule a personalized demonstration. Thank you so much for your time.